back to my channel. I'm coming back with you again with another hair video. Today I'm going to be doing a high ponytail sleek, high sleek ponytail. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. I know my hair looking a mess right now, but first thing that I'm going to start out with is my my Shine and Jam extra hold gel that I have. So I'm gonna start out with this, and I'm just gonna use this to slick my hair back so that I could get it really slick. And then I'm just gonna be using my brush right here to slick it back. Alright, so now I'm just making sure that my ponytail is at the very top of my hair because I want it to be like at the top and not like down. So I'm just making sure it's at the very top. Oh, I got a hair on my lashes. So now that I think that it's in the center that I want it, I'm gonna take a ponytail holder, and I'm just going to put it up in a ponytail. Okay, so now that we got our ponytail, I am going to take, my ponytail is looking crazy right now. That's okay, we about to get right. I'm just gonna take this long ponytail right here, this braiding hair. This is in the color 1B and it's 26 inches. So yeah, I wanted this ponytail to be kind of long, and it is already pre-stretched. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this out, and then actually no, it's in the color 2, not 2B. So yeah. Okay y'all, so this particular hair did not come with the rubber band around it. Some of them do already come like with the rubber band already attached to the hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take another ponytail holder and I'm going to wrap it around the hair. All right y'all, so I got it wrapped around like this. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take it and I'm going to wrap it around my ponytail. So now that we got that, I'm gonna take my real hair and I'm going to comb it out to make sure that it's straight so that my wraparound is nice and neat. So now I'm just gonna take it and I'm going to wrap it around like this. And to hold it, I'm just gonna take a bobby pin. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another bobby pin and secure it on this side, just to make sure that it's good and secured and it's not gonna go nowhere. All right, so now that we got that, I'm going to, this is Amla oil-infused styling. It's like hold spray, looks like this. And I'm just gonna spray my real hair so that it has like a nice shine and it will hold. You could also use oil sheen if you don't want to use hold and spray. Now what I'm just gonna do is I'm going to just comb out the hair to make sure that it is good and straight. Okay, so now that we got that, I'm going to go ahead and do my edges. So what I'm gonna use for my edges is this Gotta Be glue, of course, and then just my little edge brush that I got. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. This is how my ponytail is looking. There's the top, side, you know. I just decided to put it all on one side, you know. Hey. All right. So yeah, this is 26 inches. It's really soft. It doesn't really get tangled that much. So yeah, if you wanted to cut it, you could. But I wouldn't mind this long, so I just wanted to keep it like this. But yeah, there's my edges, here's the top, and you know, you could split it on two sides like this. This is a really full ponytail too, so it's really full. So yeah, this is how it is looking. and I like that it has a shine to it. And this didn't cost, it was like less than $5. It was just like, yeah, it was like less than $5. So it's very affordable. You don't need that many products. You know, you could use whatever gel that you want to use. I usually use the Eco Stylish gel to slick my hair back, but the Shine and Jam was the only one that I had, so I just used this. You can use whatever edge control you like to use, and yeah, you just need a hard brush, bobby pins, and ponytail holder. Like I said before, it usually comes with a rubber band on it already, but if it doesn't, just take the hair out of the pack and then just loop the hair through the ponytail holder. So yeah, I think that is it, and you just need a comb, and that's basically it. Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. If you guys like this look, make sure you give it a like, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notifications. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!